In this video, I want to go about fixing the left hand. So you can see here it kind of, well, breaks. So let's fix that. What we're going to do is we want to go into the handguard, and I'll be going more in depth as to what, why, and how this all kind of is taking effect later, but we want to select our left hand handguard. So this is the offhand IK component. It really shouldn't be named left hand IK in here, but I have yet to rename it. So the issue is the left hand IK pose. So it's using one from the UE5 Manny, and that is overwriting the one that is meant to be used for, well, our person. So in this case, it's supposed to be a tutorial M4 idle. So we're going to search for tutorial, and we're going to grab our M4 idle. I'll save and press play. So now you can see it is looking a lot better. However, the hand is off. So what we want to do is open up our handguard mesh. I'm going to go to the left hand IK socket, and this is what we want to adjust. So we're going to press play. I'm going to go out here in the sun so I can actually see, and just tweak the position. Oh, I have snapping on. So it's going to be about like so. Unfortunately, in this animation, the left hand has a ton of movement in it, which doesn't help, but it's at least a lot more manageable. And that's always something we can clear out later, so we can basically make it to where we only run procedural animation, and that's something we're probably going to do just to kind of clean things up, and it's going to solve the issue of the left hand. But anyways, I just wanted to cover that little fix there so we can have a little bit of a cleaner point moving forwards, and it only takes, 30 seconds if you know actually what to look for. Anyhow, I will see you in the next video.